Concerns are mounting from the major fish die-off in the gray area. Investigators believe that one explanation would be the acid rain. Juan Tuno did a test on the gray area rain and has proven that it is definitely acidic. Tuno and other scientists have been gathering water samples from the nearby lakes and rivers to test for acidity. What has them perplexed is that some of the rivers and the lakes are testing more acidic than others. They have shared their samples with us, and I've turned my dining room into a little lab that we're going to be testing the water samples of those nearby lakes and rivers. So for this lab, we're going to be using the 11 water samples that have been shared with us by Juan Tuno and the fellow scientists of the gray area. We'll also need pH paper, our pH scale, and you will need your acid data rain sheet that is found in your day 7 case files. pH paper is a special paper that is used to measure the levels of pH in a liquid. Today we're going to be looking to see if these water samples are safe for fish to live in. So the pH scale that we're going to be using will be a 0 from 14. Fish can live in a range of a pH between 5 and 9. And it's good to note that Daphnia can live from a pH range of 5 to 8. Okay, so the more acidic that the water is, the lower the number it's going to be, and the more basic would be, the higher the number is going to be. We're going to start at the top of your data sheet with the gray area rain. Again, you can find your data sheet in your day 7 case files. So to use pH paper, all you have to do is get a clean strip and dip in your liquid. And then you're going to match it up to your pH scale. So the gray area rain has a pH of 2. So in your data sheet, please record gray area rain, pH 2. Our Faux River sample looks to have a pH of 7. So Faux River, pH 7. Upper Mississippi River has a pH of 7. So Upper Mississippi River, pH 7. The Lower Mississippi has a pH of 7. Lower Mississippi River, pH 7. Upper Rafta River has a pH of 2. So Upper Rafta River, pH 2. Low Rafta River has a pH, I'm going to say 3 for this one. Looks a little different in the screen, but it's pH of 3. Low Rafta River, pH 3. James Pond, pH of 7. So James Pond, pH 7. Lake Adasical, pH 3. Lake Adasical, pH 3. Gray Bay, pH 5. Gray Bay, pH 5. Rafta area soil runoff was tested. So the water for Rafta area soil runoff, going to measure at a 4, pH of 4. The Faux Mississippi soil runoff water, so the Faux Mississippi River area runoff, it's going to be a pH of 9. pH of 9. So based on all the results, could the acid rain in the Gray Bay area be causing the death of all the fish? Or is there something else to be contributing to all the death of the fish? Why do you think some rivers were more acidic than others? If it was the acid rain, shouldn't all the rivers be acidic? Hopefully the testing done today can help prove your theory right or wrong in the mystery of the dying fish. What is killing the fish in the Gray Bay area?